opportunity. As Mbappe goes forward again for PSG. And what a chance here for Messi. Mbappe has a good save from Always.
Aquí aprendiendo cómo jugar fútbol.
Good save from the goalkeeper. And then the 1-2 from... A bit of daylight between the two sides of the break. Messi, the 1-2. Neymar goes down. Big shot for PSG here, of their own. Didn't like much contact there. Big call to make. Now I'll take perhaps. Now I'll take the penalty as well. Of this first half, with 20 seconds left. It's Neymar for PSG. Good save. He read it well. Neymar is denied. And on we go again. And to add to the drama a little bit, he's just been asked to place the ball more towards the spot. Back into position now. It's Cristiano Ronaldo into the wall. Second chance, cleared away. 2 up towards Ronaldo, off the post. Ronaldo is equalised. Ronaldo has equalised in Riyadh. Extraordinary, absolutely extraordinary. What an incredible first half of football from the King Fahd International Stadium. It has had everything. Penalties, goals, a red card. And for Ronaldo, it's 2 on the night. Is he on? Gets ahead of that.
Of Cristiano Ronaldo, who scored 2 in that opening half and walked off, and we hope is another thrilling half of football. It's coming up. Aaron.
At least 15 minutes to take stock and just have a little... Neymar, Mbappe. There's Messi just behind him. The number 5 just joined us. You have missed a quite brilliant 45 minutes at the King Fahd International Stadium. Juan Bernat showing a straight red. Ah, look at my eye, he's saying. Yeah. Mbappe just wanting proof there. Number 10, Martinez. In it comes. Oh, and the chance, Navas, of a fine save. And what a save too. The header from Yang. The Riyadh season team starting brightly here. At the moment. Mbappe. Long ball searching for Messi, and it came off the head of our ways, but he's off. With Luis Gustavo, Talisca, it's just over the top. 2 big chances inside the opening 4 minutes of this second half for Talisca. Mbappe. Mbappe! Cleared away from our ways. Need 2 players to make way for PSG with Marquinhos and Renato Sanchez. Mbappe. Twisting, turning, and the skills! And PSG have the lead back, and it's Sergio Ramos. Brilliant football from Mbappe, and it's a tap in for Sergio Ramos. But it's a corner for the Riyadh season team. Into the near post, and they've equalised yet again. Yang Hyun-soo, who perhaps should have scored just a few moments ago, has this time equalised yet again. What a game! Neymar, this is Mbappe, and claims for handball, is given it. The referee has given it. Paris Saint-Germain have a penalty again. Kylian Mbappe. No problem this time. PSG have their lead back. A 7-goal thriller in Riyadh. You went the just before the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, and Pereira is also coming on as well. And it is Ronaldo who makes way. And now plenty of changes, as you can see, for Paris Saint-Germain. Neymar off. So there'll be a change of goalkeeper as well. Messi looking over. Mbappe making way. Navas coming off for Donnarumma. So as expected, plenty of change. So Ronaldo and Messi off. It's still that UEFA Champions League title. And this that. And now PSG with a great chance to settle the contest. And it's in. And it's a well-taken goal from Hugo Ekitike. The quick counter paid dividends, and PSG have surely won the Riyadh Season Cup. With the Riyadh Season team searching for an equaliser once more. They were open. And most of the attention's now turned towards the maybe one last attempt, one last strike, and it's a brilliant goal. Is there time? Is there time? That is the question. Inside the last 30 seconds, Talisca. What a finish that is. Donnarumma was struck. Who certainly played his part tonight. He'll continue smiling, but for Messi, another victory over his great rival. Quick embrace from Christophe Galtier.
Y también estaba dando alabanza a mi Dios con el sonido que se escuchaba ahí en el partido. Ya. Pasen bien. Ahí estaba y también yo estaba aprendiendo cosas buenas como aprender a jugar fútbol. Eso es algo bueno, se lo hace. Sí. Entonces aprende aquello bueno. Y en la Biblia de entender el que sabe lo que es bueno y no lo hace, le es pecado. Si usted sabe que algo es bueno hacerlo, hágalo, porque si usted no lo hace, le va a contar como pecado. Lo sé por lo que da a entender la Biblia. En la Biblia de entender que el que sabe lo que es bueno y no lo hace, le es pecado. Ya. Entonces, si usted sabe hacer algo bueno, hágalo. Si usted no hace algo bueno, si usted sabe que eso es bueno y no lo hace, le va a contar como pecado ante mi Dios. Ya. Pase bien.